on sauce, then you're lost. But you also get lost in the sauce.
Hey, what's up, guys? So as you can see, the challenge car is running. While I was screwing around in Florida, Josh went ahead and put in some work. He put the cams in. He even cut the doors, cut the bumper. He put in mad work, dude.
So
mad
how much
work.
weight we took off of it?
A lot. We're trying to be like Yost, as you guys can tell in other videos. He cut the crash bar out, all the innards of the door. Let's see, look, all cut up. Dude, putting in mad work, dude. Super excited, super happy, man. Josh honestly takes pretty much, I would say he would take most of the credit for this build. So today we're gonna go ahead and install the Nitrous kit that we got from Neo Garage. They hooked us up on this Nitrous kit. I'm gonna put their link down in the description. They're also sponsoring the event for us as well. So make sure you go ahead and check them out. Let's go ahead and get this started. All right, so the act of breaking this seal and installation of this product may cause, screw that. Who reads directions anyways? There's a lot of boxing. I don't think they want these in the hands of children or something.
Whoa, slow down. Ooh. Look at that.
There we go.
Is this your new baby now?
We got Nitrous, boys. We got Nitrous. There's actually a picture of me. Actually, I'll probably throw it in the video of me like maybe 7 years ago holding a bottle just like this. I was going like this. But anyways, so we got the bottle here. And then just gotta open this and see the fittings and the lines that we got. All right, so we got all of our feed lines. These will be the fuel lines here that we'll be tapping in next to the fuel filter. These are our brackets, our trusty brackets. That'll be the back bracket for the bottle. And then we got our front bracket here. That way it's tilted at an angle. We got our nitrous lines for our nitrous. And then we got our solenoids. This would be our fuel solenoid we have here. And then we have our nitrous solenoid here as well. Then we got all the nice little fittings. We got our jets and our pills. That way we can feed the fuel, feed the nitrous at the same time. Then you also got your T here to run your fuel lines. Yeah, so let's go ahead and figure out where we're gonna get everything mounted and get this sucker going. All right, so we just went ahead and got the bottle all mounted in. Now we're gonna go ahead and run the nitrous line from here to the engine bay. Usually you wanna trim the line. You wanna make it as short as possible. That way you don't have a whole bunch of nitrous in the lines, but we're just gonna go ahead and send it. So let's go ahead and do it. We just ran that line. It is looking sweet. Pretty much like Fast and Furious, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Josh just went ahead and removed the fitting on the back of the fuel rail because that's gonna be where we're gonna run the fuel for our nitrous setup. So he just got that out. We're gonna grab the fitting, put some Teflon tape on it, and get that mounted. Alright, that's good. Alright, so Josh just went ahead and got the fitting onto the fuel rail. Obviously, if you're doing performance stuff, you're going to want to have a aftermarket fuel pump anyway, something to send some more fuel through it. Do make sure you do so before installing that, because that will drop your fuel pressure quite a bit, so just make sure you do that. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to run the lines, then get a hole drilled here in our intake for our fogger, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty guys, so we just went ahead and got the fuel solenoid and the nitrous solenoid all mocked up, and the line to the fuel rail. Also, we got our little jet here. We're gonna go ahead and head to Pet Boys real fast, get some fittings. We're also gonna see if we can get one of those famous shift knobs with the button built on it, because I haven't seen them in years, but you said that they have them, so we're gonna go see if we can find one. So let's go. Ladies first. So we didn't have any luck at Pet Boys like we thought we were gonna have. So we're just gonna go ahead and order one of those old-fashioned Hurst shift knobs on the internet. Good old trusty eBay. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and put in the safety switch. We'll get everything else done but the button. So let's go ahead and get this installed. I gotta go way bit with aluminum because. Alright, so it came out great. Just literally threaded right in. Make sure the jet is facing the throttle body so you get your best spray. There's a whole bunch of metal shavings and stuff in there, so just gonna use some brake cleaner, clean it up. That way we don't get any of that into our brand new motor. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and call the video there. You can see we got all our nitrous lines ran. Josh doesn't like where I placed that, so we may actually run it from the bottom. But we got the bottle in place. We got our safety switch in. Only thing that we're really up in the air about is what we're gonna do with our nitrous button. So I think we should do full throttle nitrous. He thinks we should do the Hush Performance shifter, or we can mount this bottle somewhere. So let us know down in the comments what you guys think. Till next time, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Got no sauce, then you lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.